Hello everyone and welcome to Slick Ride's Garage. Today we're disassembling this top-load Samsung washing machine for cleaning. So here's the tools I'm using for this project. A cordless drill driver with a Phillips head bit, a soft face hammer, 2 small vice grips with 2 small Allen wrenches, a 3/8 inch ratchet, a 3/8 inch extension with a 10mm socket, and this adjustable end wrench. So first we'll remove the back cover from the washing machine by removing these 4 screws. Lift the rear cover, then detach these tabs from the bottom and slide it out of the top tab. Then remove this screw for the wiring harness cover and remove the cover. And then these 2 screws so we can remove the top of the machine. Now we can remove this ground screw, followed by the wiring harness retaining strap and fill tube, and then remove this ground. I like to put a chair behind the machine, tape the lid down to the top. Now lift the back of the top, slide the top forward while lifting the front of the top, and detach it from these brackets. Now set the lid on the chair and position it where it won't fall. Now using a flat blade screwdriver that fits this slot, remove the pulsator bolt cover, then remove the bolt for the pulsator. Hold the tub to keep it from spinning and turn the bolt counterclockwise. Many times the pulsator will be stuck to the drive shaft. Using your soft face hammer, tap around this hub right here. Now tap on these hubs right here. Remember, it's not a 16-penny nail, so make sure to tap lightly. Now clamp the Allen wrenches into your vice grips. Insert them into one of the holes in the pulsator 180 degrees apart, and slowly lift the pulsator while rocking back and forth. Eventually the pulsator lifts right out. Now we have to remove this hub nut in order to remove the inner tub from the machine. It's a reverse thread nut, so to remove it we need to turn the nut clockwise. Don't forget to also remove this washer. Now we can remove these 8 perimeter screws and remove this ring, followed by the wash tub. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, I've enabled the Super Thanks feature so you can leave a little donation if it really helped you out. Thanks for watching Slick Ride's Garage. We'll see you next time.